Today in this video I'm going to show you the two indicators that works very well for finding the reversals, and it makes a very beautiful combination when we are going to add the two indicators. And if these indicators are not in your favorite list, then guys, I'm really confused that they must be in your favorite list. You can see from here we have the downward trend from these red bars, and you can see we have the upward trend from these lower bars. Okay, so we are going to talk about this thing in this video, that how you can attach this trading setup on your screen. So before I jump into this video, so guys, please visit my website fxmentorus.com, and the link is provided in the description of this video below. The first good thing that I'm providing the free knowledge on my website. Like you can see, you can learn about the tweezer bottoms, and you can learn about the falling wedges, and there is a lot of content that you can learn. And also I am providing the trading view strategies on my website as well. Moreover guys, you can join the best broker that I'm using from 2015, so you can register with that regulated broker from the link here, and you can read more details from the forex broker. And if you are a crypto trader, then you can join the best broker from going to the crypto broker. And moreover guys, we have the best indicators to trade. These are my private indicators. The first of all, it is the swing trading guru. You can get the access of this indicator privately from our telegram, so you can book the lifetime version. And the second indicator is the bank selling indicator. You can also go for that indicator. And the third one is my 1 hour market maker coaching, which is my best seller, because many students have learned the market maker method from me, and they are very successful. You can check the feedbacks on my website. I have posted the reviews, recent reviews of many of my students on my website. You can check details. The link is provided in the description of this video below. Okay guys, so let's talk about the indicators. So I'm going to delete this indicator section from here. Now let's go into the indicator section, and here we need to write a trend slash retracement. Okay, so it's important there is no gap. In no gap, there is no gap, trends slash retracement. So this indicator will come, that is called trend slash retracement zigzag new way by Sharad Gake. And you can see this is kind of a new indicator. It has only 636 likes at the moment. So once we click this indicator, it will be on our screen. Okay, now guys, we are going to use the second indicator that is very good, and we need to find reversal. When you write reversal signals on TradingView, then this indicator will come, that is called reversal signals Lux Algo, and the huge number of traders are already using it. And we are going to click that indicator, and just we need to change one setting that is important, otherwise the labels will be kept on the screen. So I'm just going to the settings, and I'm just going to uncheck the labels, and now my trading setup is ready. We do not need to change any further settings of this indicator. So guys, this is the straightforward indicator. The red lines that represent here, they are basically as per this indicator, it tells you that this is the retracement. So once the market reaches to the red levels, we are looking to a Lux Algo indicator to provide us with the sell signal. Now you can see from here, it has executed a sell signal. The price is down, and right now the price moved up, and we have the green P written here from the almost near to the green levels. But try your best to catch the signals from the green zones, not above that area. Okay, so let's analyze more pairs. Okay, so this is heading towards the green level, so better find any signal from the green level. Let's more pairs, let's go with more pairs. Right now you can see at the green level, but we want a second confirmation from the Lux Algo indicator, so we will wait definitely in that case. Okay, right now guys, you can see that we have reached to the red retracement level, and we have the P signal. If this candle closed successfully, then we can go short on that trade. So this indicator is more recommended for scalping, but if you are going to trade the higher time frames, like 1 hour, then you can do swing trading with this indicator as well. This is very good indicator that provides you actually good buy and sell signals, and this is the must tool. Okay, and also do your best to go with the trades that are trend following. For example, if I make the trend line, for example, I'm just preparing a random trend line here. However, we have a breakout here, but overall, even if we make the trend line from here to here, so overall we are into the downtrend. So when you are into the downtrend, do your best to find the reversals that are from the red areas. This could be a good approach. And when you are into the uptrend, like we have seen one of the indicators. So for example, the USD CAD, this was completely into the uptrend. So this was much better that if we are going to take the buys from here, but right now the breakout is done and might be it can go down. So this is how you can use this indicator strategy. This indicator strategy is purely good for trading the reversals into the trading market. What do you think about this video? Let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the channel, and for more details about our private indicators coaching, and if you want to learn something free from our website content, then you can check the website, and there are a lot of articles provided on the website that is going to make you a better trader. So guys, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.